Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I've reassembled the 653 just so I can consolidate all the parts for the engine, and prepped it for pressure washing. So it's a very dirty engine, came out of a Tree Farmer skidder, so it hasn't had a bath in probably decades. So everything's plugged up and ready to go. Something else I noticed on the previous video, I was talking about the bearings on this engine, and I noticed that the airbox drain on this side had a long hose with some binder twine on the other side, and I can almost guarantee you this is how they had it set up. Just running across to the other airbox drain, and as you know, that's a no-no for you old Detroit guys. And for the new guys, these airbox drains drain out just contaminants, really. Oil, fuel, condensation, and a little bit of antifreeze if the seals should leak. And if they don't drain, contaminations get put back into the engine. So very unhealthy for the Detroit, and shortens its life. Lead to a runaway as well if those air boxes fill up with oil and fuel and whatnot. So just something I noticed. So we're going to take it outside now and give it a try. she is, all cleaned up. I mean, I could give it another couple of coats of that cleaner, but it's clean enough. It's just going in storage. But at least it's a lot cleaner. So I'll pull the covers back off, valve covers, make sure there's no water in it. I'll add a bit of oil to it to spray everything with a light oil. And it shouldn't rust while it stores away for future, maybe in that excursion. And when it's done, it should look like this unit here, the 353. So I've taken a couple of weeks off of this project to just to spend spring break with the kids, and then work on this for a few days. But we'll be getting back to this. So if you're new to the channel and you like Detroits, consider subscribing. It's, as the title says, it's Detroit Garage, and the channel is focused on bringing these old dinosaurs back to life. So this one's been swapped. It was an N353N, and now it's a 353T with internals, T internals, and it's going to run this 375 CFM compressor. So that's a project I've got on the go now. And then after this project is done, under this horse blanket is a 253, and that'll go into my forklift. It needs another engine, so we're going to repower it with the 253. So I've got lots of projects lined up for repowers, and I've also repowered this truck with a 453T. If you haven't seen it, go check it out on my videos. It's a lot of fun, this one. I've got a year on it and 10,000 miles. This has got a year on the rebuild. It's a Silver Series 453T with a bypass blower and compound turbos. And this truck is 9,200 pounds, and it pushes it along really nicely. So thanks a lot for subscribing, watching, and commenting, and we'll catch you on the next video. Take care.